According to the latest statistics, by the end of 2018, China has 29,000 kilometers of high-speed railways. The length of the railway is 130,000 kilometers, both ranking first in the world. In just a decade, China's high-speed rail mileage has soared by 20,000 kilometers. On average, 2,000 kilometers of paving is done every year. So why is China building high-speed rail so fast? Except for our diligent and intelligent construction staff, also cannot leave these five great powers heavy weapons. First, bridge girder erection machine. The so-called mountain road, water bridge. China is a vast country with complex terrain. In the encounter of mountains and valleys and other special travel, the bridge machine came in handy. The traditional bridge erecting machine is composed of many parts. Carry out bridge transportation, lifting and assembling, etc. The high-speed rail bridge erecting machine can do all the work at once. Set girder, transport beam, frame beam in one. Complete the piecewise assembly of the bridge at one time. Take the SLJ 900/32 mobile bridge erecting machine independently developed in China as an example. The bridge erection machine weighs 580 tons. It is 91.8 meters long, 7.4 meters wide, and 9 meters high. It can lift beams of 450 to 900 tons at one time. A 500-meter bridge. The mobile high-speed railway bridge erecting machine can be built in only 7 days, and put in manpower age to need at least half year above. Second, multi-wheel flatbed. You have seen 10 wheels of wagons, and 20 wheels of wagons. Have you ever seen a flat car with 1,152 wheels? It is SMPT, a flat car developed by China. It is a very large machinery and equipment in the transportation field. The pallet truck traction section has 8 engines and is operated by an electronic computer. The conveyor allows the wheels to turn 360 degrees at will. It is understood that each wheel of the flat car can carry over 30 tons of weight. The vehicle can carry over 50,000 tons, and can be freely combined according to the size of the transport object. The beam body will be used in the transport process of this flat car. Generally, it is composed of 20 to 30 wheels, except for the transportation of high-speed rail girders. It is also widely used in aircraft, submarines, large irregular structures, petroleum, chemical industry, and much other mechanical equipment. The SMPT is also known as the transport giant. Third, track laying vehicle. After the bridge and roadbed get through, the rail laying car is used. Track fully automatic rolling car widely used in railway construction. You can lay sleepers and rails as you go. Then by hand to hit a fixed bolt, a track laid. However, the traditional rail laying vehicles in the special environment are more clumsy. To this end, our country specially developed a kind of wheeled rail laying car for the tunnel. When laying tracks, 4 sets of wheels can be folded at a 0.45-degree angle. The efficiency of the fully automatic rolling car is more than twice that of the traditional rolling car. Fourth, tunnel boring machine. Building high-speed trains require digging holes in mountains, so shield machines are needed. Compared to digging by hand, the shield tunneling machine has high automation. Save manpower, construction speed, a whole into the advantages. Especially for this special landform in our country, it is a tool for digging holes. Take China's Shecheng high-speed railway through the Qinling Mountain Tunnel as an example. 2 large horsepower shield machines fully open. No matter what the geological environment, the shield machine can cut through it. Shield machines came into being over 200 years ago. It originated in England and flourished in Japan and Germany. Before our shield machine is imported. At that time, the import price was as high as 300 million yuan. After years of hard work by engineers. Now domestic shield machine is not only exported to foreign countries. The price is only 200 million yuan. From the blockade to the breakthrough, China took 15 years. At present, the domestic shield machine has formed 4 series. More than 30 specifications of products, the cumulative development of shield products over 400. Fifth, seamless rail. Do you still remember the news of foreigners using coins to test the stability of China's high-speed railway? Yeah, it's all seamless rail. Seamless rail is not completely seamless, but by several super long rail composition. The longest one can reach 500 meters, taking the Shanghai-Nanjing high-speed railway as an example. The entire length of 303 kilometers of high-speed railway uses seamless rail technology. When the 500-meter rail is pulled to the construction site, connect the rails one by one. Welded together by extrusion, the result is hundreds of kilometers of seamless track. The flatness error of rail connection within 1.5 meters shall not exceed 0.2 millimeters. Using a seamless rail welding machine makes the construction speed double. Besides, compared with ordinary rails, seamless rails eliminate numerous rail joints. Thus, the impact force of the joint is eliminated and it greatly reduces the damage of the line. Save a lot of raw materials. 30 to 75% can save the whole railway maintenance cost. And most importantly, the seamless rails make the train no longer rattle and provide excellent stability. It is with these heavy weapons of the state. Only then has China high-speed railway mileage had the blow-up type development. Besides people and transportation, it also makes the logistics capital flow run substantially. Finally, a seamless connection is achieved. In the future, more high-speed railways will be built in China. We will provide strong support for China's development.